in your eyes now, but I know there's always a way. From sunrise till dawn, I'll be here waiting. From sunrise till dawn, I'll never stop. I'll fix you up, make everything much smoother again. I'll fix you up, from sunrise till dawn, my friend. I'll fix you up, with these hands and heart so true. I'll fix you up, Daniel, I'll fix you up. The connections might be tangled, the power source has lost its spark, but every wire tells a story, and I can mend what's torn apart. From sunrise till dawn, I'll be here waiting. From sunrise till dawn, I'll never stop. I'll fix you up, make everything run smooth again. I'll fix you up, from sunrise till dawn, my friend. I'll fix you up, with these hands and heart so true. I'll fix you up, Daniel, I'll fix you up. When the current isn't flowing, when the signals disappear, I'll be here with tools and patience, make the static crystal clear. Every cable, every circuit, every problem that you bring, I'll restore what time has broken, make the whole world sing. So don't you worry about tomorrow, don't you stress about today. I've got maintenance for your troubles, and I'll chase them all away. I'll fix you up, make everything run smooth again. I'll fix you up, from sunrise till dawn, my friend. I'll fix you up, with these hands and hearts so true. I'll fix you up, Daniel, I'll fix you up. Hey, Daniel, everything's good as new. Hey, Daniel, I'll fix you up for you.
Welcome to the show. I am your gracious host, Daniel. Today is a new judge, Judge Sean Perkins, who I believe I will probably be getting regular content from. Again, I'm going to thank all the new subscribers to this channel. I want to thank all the subscribers to this channel. Thank you very, very much for your support. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate it more if you share these live streams out on the interwebs and let people know that we are here and what we're doing. And I appreciate it even more if you like this content and you're not a subscriber to this channel, to please consider subscribing to this channel and help this channel grow. I know we can do it. Well, let's get started with Judge Sean Perkins. Share screen. Yes, I will be here, but I'll be watching in the background, but I'm muted in case there are ads. All right.
Hello?
Good morning.
Please mute your devices.
Hello.
All rise. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, If you have a head covering on right now that does not represent religious purpose, please remove it. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Morning, Judge.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. So with that,
Hey, Mr. Orange.
we need to mute yourself, Mr. Orange. We need you to mute, because I'm going to mute you, Mr. Orange. If when we call your name, you can press *6 to unmute yourself, okay? All right.
Good morning, attorney.
Let's get going.
How can I help you?
Mr. Orange is pre-sentence report. How you doing, Judge?
How you doing? Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Ikaya Monet Grice. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Yes.
Good morning to you. SP 1711361, SP 1738331. Who's that talking? SP 1774713, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Berry? What's up? What's going on now?
This got to be adjourned there because the machine was messed up.
Mr. Walling, are you there? Where are my attorneys? What's going on?
They're in
I
room
see.
12.
I see. Thank you, Ms. Williams Law.
No problem, Judge.
I'm ready on mine.
All right,
Judge.
Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry. Where is,
On behalf of
Ms. Grice?
Ms. Grace, state your full name, Ms. Grace.
Ikaya Monet Grice.
You looking for Grace File, Judge?
George, Dylan and George. Ms. Grice, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter.
Okay.
I'll print it for you because I didn't get the print. Judge, Attorney Taylor is seeking an adjournment.
I heard.
You heard it, okay. Here it is.
This is the city of Detroit versus Leslie Grubbs Grant, case number SP 1891154, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229, representing this defendant.
All right. Good morning to you, Ms. Grubbs Grant. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Leslie Grubbs Grant.
All right. Day is date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Walling. Purposes of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client wishes to plead not guilty. We'd waive any kind of formal reading.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Grubbs Grant, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Deontay Ramon George. Case numbers SP 105-60061, SP 187-6629, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 185-30211, SP 187-6635, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of the defendant. Judge, we're asking for the discovery in this matter and new pretrial date, please.
Okay, Mr. George, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Daylon George.
All right, day is date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna close out SP 105-60061. That's been paid. The other matters, that some of them are in default, I'm gonna set aside the default so Mr. George can be heard on those. I don't see anything affecting Mr. George's ability to get a license if he doesn't already have one. So Mr. George, I'm gonna give you a pretrial on the 29th of May at 8:30. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Judge Perkins. You have a good rest of your day, too.
Thank you.
All right, you have better. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Grice. Ms. Grice, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
But, Your Honor, my client seeks a trial date.
Is that what you want, Ms. Grice?
Yes.
You owe this $336 on this no insurance proof. I'll mark the file, allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front, with the understanding that you'll have to pay this whole ticket off at some point. But that reinstatement fee, if you come down to the 36th District Court and pay that fee, you can potentially set yourself up to bring a valid driver's license back in. I say potentially because I don't know what your driver's license looks like in other jurisdictions, but what it will do is it'll give you clearances here down at the 36th District Court, all right?
Okay, how much is it again?
It's $45 reinstatement fee. The ticket price is $336. I'll let you pay the first $45 up front, but the only way I can allow you to do, the only way that you can do that is you have to come down to the courthouse and pay that. I can't let you, you can't pay it any other way but coming down to the courthouse. With the understanding that at some point you're gonna have to pay the rest of it after you pay the first 45, but the first 45 is gonna give you a clearance here, okay?
Okay.
Hopefully you can come back with a valid driver's license. Once you pay that $45, go to the Secretary of State and ask them for a license. If they don't give you a license, then ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license, okay?
Okay.
All right, I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Jessica Gail Lally. Case number SP 26858, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1865421, counts 1, 2, and 3. And 215161001. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Bick Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lawley.
Hi, my name is Jessica Lally.
Good morning to you, Ms. Lally. Today is the time set for a trial. Also called the State of Michigan versus Jessica Lally. That's SX 46267861. Ms. Lally, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Let's see. Runner license, please. When you join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out, when you see the prompt, okay?
Okay.
That last state ticket, Your Honor, what's the charge?
Driving on cell phone.
Okay, all right, hold on.
All right, we'll
Thank you.
pass that. You're welcome. All right, Miss Barrett, are you still there? All right, what do you have? Mr. Orange, good morning to you.
Here's Mr. Orange.
All right, while we're taking this pause, we'll let some of these people in and identify them.
I did talk to probation officer Thomas on Mr. Orange.
And what happened?
He stated that, the machine, the testing machine at the court was down, so it kind of set Mr. Orange off track. So he's sending him some information so he can start testing the portable testing. So he should be receiving something in the mail. And here's Jessica Lawless.
What stage of the game are we at in Orange?
He's set for
I
trial.
think he's, didn't he plead already?
Well, he's set for trial.
Really? Oh.
Let me look.
So we may not, I don't know. It's an old case, right, Mr. Orange? Good morning to you. All right. Samsung, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Samsung, I'm sending you the prompt. Unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please.
Alan Gentry.
Not you, sir. Good morning to you, though. Samsung. You started your camera. Good morning to you, sir. You're in the dark. What's your name, sir?
I'm sorry. Christopher Greenwood, Your Honor.
Greenwood?
Yes, sir.
It's set for trial. Your matter is set for trial, Mr. Greenwood. Good morning to you. I'm gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. The officers appear, and we'll get the attorney. If the officers do not appear, we'll get you out of here, all right?
All right. You said between 9 and 9:30, sir?
Pardon me?
You said between 9 and 9:30. I misheard you.
So I'll give the officers a half-hour grace period till 9:30. If they appear, get you in with an attorney. If they don't appear, we'll get you out of here.
All right. Thank you.
Here's Mr. Orange file.
Zoom user, I just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Zoom user.
Alan Gentry.
Mr. Gentry, you don't have to say any more, okay? I got you already. He's already said our pleasantries, all right?
My apologies, Your Honor.
Sorry. Zoom user.
Yep, I'm here.
All right, what's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning.
What is your name, sir?
Pierre Quiet.
Say that again.
Hold on, my speaker's messed up. Pierre
You can say it. I didn't hear it.
Pierre Quiet.
Okay, Pierre Klein. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
He's sitting behind the wheel of a car, aren't you?
I'm sitting in the car in front of my house.
Behind the driver's seat, right?
Yeah, it's not on.
I know. I know. I heard that one before, Mr. Klein.
No,
All
I
right.
can show you.
You don't have to show me. I told you I believe you.
Okay.
Now you want me to go into what I don't believe? You don't want me to go into what I don't believe. All right. Let me get Aaron, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your full name, please?
Aaron Gandy.
Gandy. Good morning to you, Mr. Gandy.
Morning.
Mr. Gandy, please remove your do-rag.
What was that, sir?
Please remove your head covering. if it does not represent religious purpose.
Aaron Terrell Gandy.
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. And then lastly, Sean. Sean, can you unmute yourself? Good morning to you. Start your camera and state your full name, please.
Keyshawn Furman Leland.
Say that again.
Keyshawn Furman Leland.
I see you. Good morning to you, Mr. Lyon.
Good morning.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lolly. Miss Lolly, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We
Hold
seek
on.
a trial date.
Mr. Gandy.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Mr. Gandy. Mr. Gandy, take your do-rag off, okay?
Huh?
Mr. Gandy. Mr. Gandy, you have to take your do-rag off, okay? If it's not for religion.
My do-rag?
Yeah. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lolly. Miss Lolly, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Mr. Lawley, Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you want, Miss Lolly?
Yes.
All right.
All right, Miss Lolly, I'm gonna set you a trial date for June the 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Miss Lolly, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Mr. Barry, this is the city of Detroit. When Miss Oates, she had a appointed attorney. She had an appointed attorney. Can we find out who her attorney is, please? This is the city of Detroit versus Carmita Gary. Case number SP 1886854, counts 1 and counts 2. And we'll call SP 18271 into the record. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Miss Gary.
Carmita Gary.
All right, good morning to you, Miss Gary. You keep coming back for more, don't you?
No, they keep saying my license is suspended, and my license is not suspended. Y'all went, and your secretary had called me and told me she had taken down there.
Who's
Pardon?
making all the noise? Gandy, you got to mute yourself. Gandy,
No.
you have to mute yourself. All right, well, they didn't. It's not saying that they're saying your license is suspended. They said at least you failed to display your license on this occasion. That's what they allege. I'm going to dismiss SP 182-73181. Miss Gandy paid that. So, Mr. Berry, we're dealing with a no ops and a seatbelt violation. Miss Gandy, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Mr. Gandy, you got to mute yourself. You keep interrupting me. All right. Miss Gary, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You know how it works. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Miss Barrett, are you there? Did we find out who Oates is?
Working on it right now.
Thank you.
Not getting her results.
Excuse
Let's
me,
go
Judge.
back on Miss Leslie Grubbs Grant. Miss Leslie Grubbs Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what is you want to do?
Your Honor, at this, for today's a show cause, if there are warrants, I'd ask them recalled, waive any kind of formal reading, stand mute. Your Honor, we're asking for a bench trial date. If you
Okay,
please.
that's what you, is that what you want to do, Miss Loves? Miss Grant?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, next time you come in, ma'am, get a better head covering, okay? For your injury, all right?
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna give you a trial date. What's so funny?
You were talking about my head wrap.
Yeah, yeah. I don't do rags, and I'm sure you can get a better way to cover that up next time.
Like a head scarf? Is that acceptable?
Whatever, something better than what it does something better.
Okay.
All right. So come back on June the 4th at 9 a.m. Okay, June the 4th, 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. Okay.
Okay, I come back to this courtroom?
Exactly. Yep. Same Zoom ID.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Have a great day.
Thank you, Mr. Wiley. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. That just gives you the flux, doesn't it, Miss Mathis?
Which means.
That's system.
And because we have relationships and they were working.
This is the city of Detroit versus Brandy Leslie Sellers, case number SP 162-53301, SP 167-60651, SP 168-1874, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 168-18781, SP 172-87971, SP 173-1864, counts 1, SP 173-8838, counts 1, appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. One more. Brandy Leslie Sellers.
You have a lot of noise in the background, Miss Leslie Sellers.
Sorry,
Mr.
I'm
Wall, record, please. You're muted, Mr. Walling.
Philip X. Walling representing Ms. Sellers. I have a very nice but loud clock.
I'm sorry.
All right. Miss Leslie Sellers, state your name for the record, please.
Brandy Leslie Sellers.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Can we get Mr. Warren in here, please? Good morning to you, sir.
Wanted to let you know that that I don't know if I'm up under Joseph Lindsay, but I was looking at it says Kaylee Lindsay, my daughter.
You're Joseph, Sean Lindsay,
Joseph
correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you.
I'm sending her a message, Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. All right, we're waiting on an attorney now, so just bear with us.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Can we get probation down here for DeAndre Griffin?
Sent out a message to the people at ZLS to see if they're gonna find an attorney for her.
Okay, thank you. Is that Zakia? Zakia, I just let you in the room, ma'am. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your full name, please?
Zakia G.
Zakia G.
Yes.
All right. Your matter's not set for till 9. I'll give the officers a grace period till 9:30.
Okay.
Peers will get you in the, we'll get you into the breakout room with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here. Good morning to you.
All right. Good morning to you as well.
Dominique Lewis, can you unmute yourself, ma'am? Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, I don't think I see you on the docket. Let's see. Do you have a middle name?
LaRose Renee.
Renee?
Yes, LaRose Renee. LaRose Renee.
Yeah, but I was wrong. 1:30, ma'am.
Oh, it's at 1:30?
Yes. I can arraign you right now and set you another court date so you don't have to show back up at 1:30. But we need to get your file.
Do I have 2 tickets? Because one of them say 9 a.m.
It says here 1:30. All right, we'll hear it. We'll hear it.
Okay.
All right.
So what do I do?
All right, please, everybody mute themselves until their name is called. Would you contact Ms. Horn?
I sent her a text.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Francisco Gardado.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. You do not need an interpreter, do you?
No, sir.
Very good. Good morning. Officer Benton, good morning to you. I don't see you on, are you on the list? I don't see you on the list of,
I'm here for Javon Lee Nettles. It's at 9.
Javon Lee Nettles.
Yes, at 9.
All right, very
For
well.
open alcohol driver, suspended license and no insurance.
I only see him down here for one case, but all right. All right, very well. All right, Mr. Soroki, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you? I'm here on Deandra Griffin.
It's DeAndre, he is. Let's call it. Did you talk to probation about DeAndre Griffin?
No.
Deandra.
DeAndre, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, sir. This is the City of Detroit versus Deandra Griffin, case number Z8099631. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full name for the record, sir.
DeAndre Lamar Griffin.
All right, good morning to you, sir. What about testing? Have you been testing, sir?
Yes.
How's that been going?
Good.
What do you want? What does Mr. Griffin want to do, Mr.
Your Honor, I have to reskin an offer, and I'll talk to Mr. Griffin in a breakout room, and we'll see if he wants a plea to go to trial.
All right, I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Mr. Griffin, and Mr. Soroki's going to speak with the city attorney. I'm going to join breakout room 5, and he's trying to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please.
Thank you.
We'll pass the matter. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Hi, it's Brandy. I made a mistake and hung up.
Okay. Are you still talking?
We're done, Judge. We're ready.
No, we're ready.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Brandy Leslie Sellers. Miss Leslie Sellers, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
You know, she needs to get to the Secretary of State. I'm asking for an adjourned pretrial, please.
Well, we've been down this road already.
All right. Well, let's set it for a bench trial then, Judge.
Miss Leslie Sellers, did I give you an opportunity to pay these reinstatement fees up front?
You have gave me an opportunity. I'm just trying to find. You have.
All right. All right, I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna set the matter. It still should be in the system, ma'am, for paying the reinstatement fees up front. You still have the opportunity to do that. I'll set a trial date for June the 4th. June the 4th at 9 a.m. All right?
Thank you. I shall get that done sooner than later. We had a nice talk, so that will be done.
All right, well, I wish you the best of luck. I hope it is. Hopefully you can bring in a valid driver's license. If there's nothing
Thank you
further,
so
Ms.
much.
Best of luck, okay?
Have a good one.
Judge Perkins.
As well.
Correction Officer Thomas is gonna
Zoom
zoom
in.
in Griffin.
Okay. Did we find out who Oates' attorney should be?
Let me check that for me.
This is the city of Detroit versus Francesco Gordado, case number SP 187-5260, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 187-52611. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Francesco God, I've
Guardado.
practiced it. Guardado.
Guardado, yep.
Good morning to you, Mr. Guardado. State your name for the record, please.
Francisco Guardado.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Miss Officer Lunguski, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Maverick Lunguski, badge 746, Detroit Police.
All right, today is the date set for a trial. Mr. Guardado, Mr. Walling is going to attempt to work this out for you. If you find a resolution, today is the date and time set for the trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Yeah, I'm not getting no response from ZLS.
There's no number to call, huh?
Yes, I sent the text. Office ain't cell phone, so-
Officer Thomas, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How is Mr. Griffin progressing on his testing?
Testing as directed, Judge, once a week, no positives. Everything's been negative, no issues.
Very good. I appreciate it, and that's all we need. Have a great rest of your day, and if I don't see you, have a
You as well, Your Honor.
thank you. Morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Big Low. Unmute yourself. Good morning to you. Unmute yourself. Start your camera. It's Big Low. I'm not gonna call. Are you driving? All right. I'm not gonna call you Big Low anymore. What's your real name? Your government name? Unmute yourself, please.
There you go. London Gaskin.
All right. You're gonna have to take the scarf off your head. Monique Gaskin. London Gaskin?
Yes.
All right. All right. You have to remove your scarf, Miss Gaskin. Do rag, Miss Gaskin.
Can I please keep it on?
No, you can't.
Okay.
You can, I'll turn your camera off until we call your name though.
Okay.
Do you have valid insurance, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared for the valid insurance now?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see what you have, please. as far as insurance. If you can show the court the insurance. Or you can email it to me, one or the other.
With Liberty Mutual, I'm on my brother's insurance.
All right, let me see that again. Slide it over just a little bit for me to your left. What is this 2015 Chevrolet you were driving?
20. I don't have that anymore.
What kind of car was that?
Impala.
You have the registration to that car you're driving now?
Yes. Oh, for this car that I'm driving?
Yeah.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus London Unique Miles Gaskin, case number SP 152657881. State your name for the record, please.
London Gaskin.
All right, today is the date time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. Ms. Gaskin, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
You're welcome. Ms. Barrett, do you have anyone else, Ms. Barrett? I have Lennon Lewis. Do you know what Mr. Lennon Lewis wants to do?
No, I was waiting for the city prosecutor. Let me go back in there.
What are they scheduled?
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gary. Ms. Gary, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea as charged to the seatbelt charge.
Please mute your devices.
And I guess I need to ask the court to confirm that she has a valid license.
Can you run our license, please? And I have some stuff, I'll print some names of them. All right. Valid. It's not valid.
But you had, I mean, I got a paper from Secretary of State saying my license was valid. And you had the secretary run my stuff last time I was there. And she called back and said I was valid.
Okay.
I don't owe no insurance ticket, so how can I be suspended?
I don't know.
We'll need to return to the breakout room, Your Honor, if the court permits.
But I got valid license.
That's for,
I gotta be at the doctor.
is that it? Jesus Christ. All right, go back in the breakout room and speak to Mr. Berry's license is not valid. It's too long for me to look at.
You had dismissed the insurance ticket, so that I don't understand why they're not valid.
It's not valid. I don't know.
Okay.
You need to go to Secretary of State for that.
Okay. They sent me. Okay.
It's not valid.
Okay.
I just ran. As of right now, today is not valid. So whatever happened yesterday or past that, I don't know.
Okay.
All right. Go back in the breakout room.
Okay. I'm okay to you drive me to the doctor. Please. Oh, okay. I get the bill behind me. I don't believe.
Sir, can I be placed back in the breakout room, please, to speak with the prosecutor?
License.
I don't want that. I'll take it. Here, I'll put it in there. It's still more. It's still another half a book. It's crazy.
Judge, can you give me a quick 2 minutes?
Okay.
Thanks.
Hello?
We're supposed to join the room.
I did join. It took me back here.
May I be placed back in the breakout room, please?
You already have that breakout room open to you.
No, this is Officer Benton.
I understand, Officer Benton, when you talk, I need to see who you are. You have never, I've been prompting you to turn your camera on, and you haven't done so. But you're always, that breakout room is always open to you. You need to go down to the bottom of your screen and push more button or something like that. You should always be able to get back in that breakout room.
What meeting ID number are you using? Answer 9 436 28.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge. I'll be back at Yonder Griffin once I get an offer.
Okay.
You're gonna connect to Zoom. So you connect to Zoom.
I'm back, Judge.
Okay, we're just waiting on an attorney. Mr. Barry, are you ready on anybody?
I believe we lost Miss Gary.
Miss Williams, are we back ready?
Yes, Your
I think
Honor.
we have to, okay, well, all right, let's do this. Since we lost Miss Gary, she probably mad because she thought she had a license. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Kimberly Michelle Love, case number SP 1-888-3221. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Barry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Love.
State your name, ma'am. We couldn't hear you.
Kimberly Law.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. This your lucky day, Mr. Orange. I don't see the officer didn't show. I'm waiting on Mr.
It's 17 years.
I'm waiting on Mr. Whatchamacallit. And we'll get you out of here. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Guardado. Mr. Guardado, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a limited access 1 to 5.
That is correct, sir.
And the rest of the matters dismissed?
That is correct, sir.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Guardado?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea. On
Yes,
your
I
client's behalf. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, I do.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Guardado?
I can pay it as soon as possible. Today?
Make sure you get it in here by tomorrow. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Guardado, if it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. City of Detroit, Mr. Walling versus Molly Lee. Case number SP 186-53901. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip Walling representing Molly Lee.
Is Molly Lee there?
Molly Lee? Press star 6 to unmute your phone.
No, just press them, unmute it.
Molly Lee.
Good morning to you, Miss Lee. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an officer Cavalos, K-A-V-A-L-O-S, badge number 2669. Hearing no response. Go ahead, Counselor.
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
Make sure, just let me do a second check on the officer. Case dismissed, ma'am. No officer. There's nothing further. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your.
Thank you so
You're
much,
welcome.
Judge. Have a nice
welcome.
day.
You have a better one. City of Detroit, Mr. Walling versus Joseph Lindsay, case number V. Oh, he asked for an appointed attorney. Can we see who Joseph Lindsay? So we're looking for Joseph Lindsay and Jada Oak. Hold on, I gotta get that attorney for you, sir.
Keep Jada Oaks, because I sent the message for that.
Okay,
And I'll work on Wednesday.
let's get the world. I'm gonna find out who that attorney is, sir.
It's Miss Burn, forgot
Miss
her name.
Barrett?
Yes, she called me yesterday.
Okay, she's here. Oh, we have that one now.
Excuse me, speaking up, but.
Go out.
All right, wait on Miss Barrett then. This is the city of Detroit versus Tequila. Did I get that right? Gordon? Can we run her license? SP 155-08731. Ma'am, if I pronounced your name wrong, forgive me. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, my name is
Go ahead.
Tequila Gordon.
Philip X. Walling representing Tequila Gordon.
All right, today is date and time. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time, and it is set for a arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, I'd ask the court to recall all the warrants, waive any kind of formal reading, and stand muted at this time.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond.
Okay.
Come on, yeah. All right, at this time, Mr. Gordon, I'm going to dismiss your case. You have a valid driver's license.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
waive the- If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much. You as well.
As well, thank you. You're welcome.
Bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Marcel Alexa Leon Ortiz, case number SP 1885841, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Mr. Leon Ortiz.
Mr. Ortiz, are you there? Can you unmute yourself, please, and state your name?
Is it Mrs.? Is it Marisol?
Marisol?
Yes, Marisol Alexa Leon Ortiz.
Okay, good morning to you, ma'am. I apologize.
Me too.
Time, and it's set for a pretrial. Miss Leon Ortiz, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with your Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, excuse me, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Ms. Williams-Law.
No problem, Your Honor. Miss Gary's back, Judge.
All right, Mr. Lindsay, I'm going to put you in breakout room 6.
Okay.
Wait on Miss Barrett. I'm going to tell her you're in there. Mr. Lewis, I'm going to put you, Leon Lewis. I'm going to put you in breakout room 7. I believe Miss Barrett is your attorney as well, right? Mr. Wallen, you have a question?
Yes, please. Can I have Ms. Leon Ortiz's park closed ticket sent to me, please?
Very well.
Thank you.
And just to the court, there are several matters for Lee Nettles that officers have checked in on, but they are actually set for May 29th.
Yeah, I see that. There's only one here for today, and that's probably why Mr. Lee Nettles is not here. Can we get that ticket to Mr. Walling, please?
And I've had 3 officers, Johnson, Benton, and Geyer, check in for those for his cases. Yeah.
I've seen all of those officers and I was kind of surprised because he only has one name on the docket and Towns did not appear. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Harold. You can put your appearance on the record on this, Ms. Horn. City of Detroit versus Harold Andre Orange, case number Z7888130. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, 257-166, appearing on behalf of Harold Orange. Would you introduce yourself, Mr. Orange?
Mr. Orange, Harold Orange. Harold Orange, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. I don't believe we had anyone, officer, for Rolfs for Orange,
Officer Ross did come by the office yesterday, advised me that he had no recollection of the matter. So he wanted to make sure that I was aware of that yesterday. He was in person to let me know that. So the people are moving for dismissal for the officer's lack of recollection on this.
All right. Sure. I'll waive the warrant fee. Case dismissed, Mr. Orange. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. You might owe a reinstatement fee on that. $45, but all the other stuff should be, I'll waive the warrant fee. And if there's any late costs, it's just a reinstatement fee. Oh, okay, $45 if there's a reinstatement fee on that. Downstairs. Yeah, you get some paperwork now.
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome, Mr. Orange. Be safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. I see you, Miss Gary. I'm gonna get you, we're back in there with Mr. Barry. He comes back.
Okay.
Miss.
Here, Officer Wilson, this is for Mr. Orange, for the things that they left, just in case if you got to know how to
Mr. Orange, okay.
Yeah, not.
All right, we're just waiting on an attorney. Never found out who Jada Oaks' attorney is. Huh? I'm gonna see if it's Miss Barrett.
It is Miss Barry, sir.
All right.
Okay, 92.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to a 6-month delayed sentence.
Want to take the deal, Ms. Love?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that even though that this case, if you don't get any other cases and you pay the money, the ticket will be dismissed in 6 months, it'll still keep that 2 points on your driver's license. You understand that, ma'am?
Oh, I was not told that.
All right, you want to speak with Mr. Berry then?
I do.
All right, that when an abstractable a ticket, even though it gets dismissed, the Secretary of State doesn't recognize the dismissal, and they keep the 2 points on your license. Rejoin the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
You should be able to go down to the more button and find a way to reach and find a way to get back in breakout room 2. And then we have Miss Gary back as well, Mr. Berry. So as soon as you're done with Love, we'll do Gary.
Go.
Okay, I'll switch you to 9, ma'am.
I'm sorry, Judge. Was I supposed to stay in here, right? I was supposed to stay in here?
Yeah, if you want to be heard today.
Yes.
All right.
And then it's not a...
Go ahead.
Huh? I'm sorry. You told me it was at 1:30.
It is set for 1:30, but we can take you today. That'll be less Miss Mathis has to do at 1:30.
Okay.
Right, that's cool, Miss Mathis?
I have no problem with it.
Miss McGarry, please mute yourself.
Oh, okay. I gotta go into the doctor's office.
I got you. We're gonna get you in as soon as Mr. Berry comes back out.
Okay.
Yeah, Griffin.
On Griffin, are we ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's call
Deandra Griffin.
Where's Griffin file? Deandra Griffin. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Deandra Griffin. Let's call it City of Detroit versus Deandra Lamar Griffin, case number Z8099631. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Sroki, P37441. Appear to have the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Deandra Lamar Griffin.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. What's my understanding? You worked the deal out.
Yes.
Your Honor. Defendant is going to agree to operating while intoxicated and will be reduced to operating while visibly impaired.
You understand that's a 4-point offense, sir. 93 days in jail, maximum possible penalty. You understand that?
So you said 93 days in jail if I get caught up?
Maximum possible penalty is.
Okay.
You want to take the deal?
Yeah.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
And you know this will be 4 points on your driving record. You understand that?
Would I be able to clear it?
They'll clear off after some years. Anything under 3 points, 3 points or lower, depending on your driving record, the Secretary of State will allow you to do a class. But this OWI is 4 points, so it'll drop off in 2 or 3 years. And then in 5 years, you'll be eligible if you don't have any other operating while intoxicated cases, then you should be eligible for an expungement of this case one time. But if you have another operating while intoxicated, you won't be eligible for that expungement. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
The deal is that I have to do probation for a year.
I don't know how long I'm gonna put you on probation, but that's depending on your record, that's probably the maximum amount of time I'll do it. Maybe less, maybe more, depending on what I read in the pre-sentence report. But I'm not gonna send you to jail. You'll have to pay some fines and costs, and you'll have some other obligations.
Okay.
You understand you're gonna lose those rights by taking this deal?
When you say lose those rights, you're talking about the rights of the fines and like what rights do I have? I'm sorry.
Right to call witnesses, right to remain silent. Those rights, as it relates to this case.
Yes.
You still want to go ahead with this deal?
This deal is to do. I have to do the probation, try to make sure I'm clean and get myself together so I can get these charges dropped, right?
Well, charges won't get dropped. You'll make sure if you're clean and everything that you don't go to jail.
Oh, okay.
The charges aren't going to get dropped. The only way the charges are going to get dropped is if you go to trial and they can't prove it, or you go to trial and the officer does not appear, or if there was some kind of motion that that you could file, that your attorney could file on your behalf, and that motion was granted for some reason or other, or then the city is not likely to just drop him because you're Mr. Griffin. You see what I'm saying? So there's only a few ways that you can get charges dropped at this point.
Okay. Yes, I understand.
All right, and nobody's offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record. Is that correct?
Yes.
No, and nobody's.
No.
You understood what I mean. I think you understood what I mean. All right, Mr. Griffin, I'm going to draw your attention back to December 19th, 2025, around 5:59 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Puritan, on Puritan Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have some alcohol prior to or during the operation of that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And how much alcohol did you have?
I was 0.6 over.
Well, what kind of alcohol were you drinking that day?
Tequila.
And how much tequila did you have that day?
Probably 2 double shots. So I'll say like a pint. And like, yeah.
All right. So 2 double shots of tequila and so that's pretty. All right. You satisfied, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
You stipulate to the results of this data master test for the purposes of this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with those stipulations, the court is satisfied. I'm gonna find you guilty as to the amended count of operating while visibly impaired. I'm gonna set a sentencing date. I'm gonna order a pre-sentence investigation report, sir. You're gonna have to come in and meet with probation, pre-sentence investigation report. I'm gonna refer this to probation. You may or may not get the same probation officer. All other testing conditions are gonna remain the same until the date of sentencing. Is that number still good for you? 6923?
Yes, 9006923. Yes.
All right. Probation shouldn't call, they should call you. You shouldn't have to call them. I'm gonna set a trial date for, a sentencing date for, June the 12th. June the 12th. Now, at 10 a.m. Now, make sure that probation calls you. If you don't hear from them in the next few, give it a week or two. It shouldn't take that long. But if you find that it's going too long that you don't hear from them, get in touch with the court, sir, so we can get them in touch with you. So I need that pre-sentence report to see how to properly sentence you. Okay.
Okay, and when you say sentencing, you talking about the sentences like
You'll know at that time your fines and costs, what the probation is, and what other requirements that you're are gonna be laid out.
All right, I got one more question. Well,
Go
I have
ahead.
a question. Today my birthday, and I was
Happy birthday.
thank you, but I've been doing good with the testing. I wanted to know, could I go out of town? Ohio, I was going out of town to Kalahari, the water park.
You about to turn up for your birthday? You just can't drink.
Yes, I won't be drinking.
All right. And when are you going?
We won't be coming back until Sunday, and I haven't tested this week. That's what I was saying.
To the state. All right. I don't know when when are you planning on leaving today?
Tomorrow, like basically tonight.
Well, if you hope you can get a test in today, but I'll give you permission to go. We'll return. What's today? What's Monday? It will be. We'll return on the 10th. May 10th. He said he's coming back Sunday.
Yes, I'm coming back Sunday. Yeah.
All right. You got permission to leave, sir. Enjoy yourself. Have a happy birthday, and come back on the 10th. Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
All right.
Mr. Lavender was on a Zoom call.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I've given you the opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel. Her number is in the chat.
All right, that's what you want to do, Ms.
Yes, Your Honor.
Love?
Yes, Your
I'm
Honor.
going to set a pretrial date. And that pretrial date is set so that that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. They should call you. You shouldn't have to call them. I need you to answer the call you don't recognize, because one of those calls will hopefully be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of May 29th at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, you're welcome. Mr. Berry, what about Miss Gary? Have you finished speaking with her?
Yes, we had but she dropped off. She wasn't able to return to the courtroom, apparently.
So, but you're ready to, let's go back on the record with Miss Gary. Miss Gary, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Arthur East.
Arthur? Yes. All right, Miss Gary, you're gonna have
Hello?
to,
I'm sorry.
Noise off.
Okay.
From you? I'm sorry.
I'll need to speak. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I need to speak with Ms. Gary. I can't. My notes.
All right, join the room, Miss Gary. Please, we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, I could do something. I'm waiting for Ms. Horn to return or at least contact me. So
Very, very well. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Allen Pinky Gentry. Case number SP 1859329, counts 1 and counts 2, and 0538040 and 237-43210, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling, representing Alan Pinky Gentry. State your name, sir.
Alan Gentry, can you unmute yourself? It's time for you to speak now.
Alan Gentry.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a pretrial. We're going to have to start testing Mr. Gentry, Mr. Walling. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. Mr. Walling, I'm trying to attempt to get you an updated offer. I know this is an old OWI case, but we still need to treat it just like we're going to treat everybody else. I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Mr. Gentry. Mr. Walling's going to come see you, attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to it. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor.
Yes, let's go back on the record with Miss Gary. We ready on Gary?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Gary. Miss Gary, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Miss Gary?
Yes.
All right. Your trial date is going to be June the 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Barry, this is the city of Detroit versus Keyshawn Furman Lunn, case number SP 1888441, SP 1888519, SP 1430457, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1618401, counts 1, SP 1618405, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 170-58751, SP 1722338, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1836909, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1836910, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1837131, SP 186077761, SP 1860790, counts 1 and counts 2, and Z8096251. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. Your full name, Mr. Lunn.
Mr. Lunn, is Mr. Lunn there? Mr. Lunn, he must have fallen off. Let's pass it. Let's pass it.
Your Honor.
Yes.
This is
All right,
Joseph.
I'm waiting on Miss. I'm waiting on Miss Barrett.
Okay, I have a nurse coming later. Well, in a few.
Okay, I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out of here, but I can't do it without Miss Barrett.
All right.
Where's Miss Barrett?
She was here earlier.
Too. All right, I'll get Miss Mathis to call her. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Perry Fontes, Cleat. Case number SP 1098043, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1375587, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1459389, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1528382, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1566071, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1763341, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Clyde.
Pierre Fontes Clyde.
Clyde, I'm sorry, Mr. Clyde. All right, date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Clyde an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, sir, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Okay.
Miss Barrett, Miss Horn was trying to get in touch with you while you were in the room, but you didn't respond. And,
Right. I was having problems with my device. I had to get something else to sign back on.
okay. All right. Well,
okay.
Barrett, I'm gonna put wait a minute. I made Barrett the call. I'm gonna put you back in 4. We're waiting on Miss Horn now. Miss Jada Oates was first, but Mr. Lindsay, it went in the order of Oates, Lewis, and Lindsay. And but Mr. Lindsay has a nurse coming. So let's make him a priority.
I can wait, Judge, with Mr. Lindsay, I've already spoken to him. And what we're trying to do with him is he does have these serious health situations, and so he can deal with it better. I was just going to ask if we could adjourn the pretrial 30 days. I can get the discovery and then give him a chance to work with his health situation.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lindsay?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Deshaun Lindsay, case number V132922125, SP 1680570, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1851392, counts 1 and counts 2, 21-729-659, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Mr. Lindsay. Judge, we're asking for, well, really, I was saying 30 days, but I wanted the biggest adjournment you could give me because he's working with his health right now and he didn't heal as he thought.
All right, I'm gonna give him a 30 days, June the 8th, 2026, at 8:30. Mr. Lindsay, I wish you the best of luck on your health. Come back in June the 8th, all right, at 8:30.
June 8th at 8:30, okay. Your Honor, is there, June 8th, I have to go to see my urologist? I'm sorry.
Come in June 9th then.
Okay.
June 9th. All right. All right, be safe, Mr. Lindsay. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Horn is go before I see you, Mr. Lund. All right. All right. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Clyott. Mr. Clyott, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, and I gave him the opportunity to pay the reinstatement fee up front. He hasn't done that. I'm going to give you a trial date on June the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m., sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, and you can still pay that reinstatement fee. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you. I'll do that today.
All right, Mr. Barry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lund. Mr. Lund, good morning to you. Mr. Barry, put your appearance on for the record for Keyshawn Furman Lund.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your name, Mr. Lund.
Yep, unmute yourself, sir.
Let y'all know that before y'all got to him and the phone had hung up.
Where's Mr.
He's in an interview. I brought him to an interview.
All right, I'll pass it. All right.
Okay.
Let's call the city of Detroit, Mr. Barry versus Aaron Terrell Gandy. Case numbers SP 1729670, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 186-68521. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Landy.
Gandy.
Gandy, my apologies.
Aaron Gandy.
Good morning to you, sir. Day's date and time set for pause on one of the matter for purposes of arraignment. Counsel, excuse me.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gandy, it's got a lot of matters saying current status. Let's call SP 126-3477, counts 1 and counts 2 into the record as well. I'll recall the warrants on all the matters, and I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf and give him a $0 bond. Those other two matters I just called, the SP 126 numbers, those matters were already pled to. He just owed money on those. Mr. Gandy, I'm going to put you in the breakout room. So he has a license. It's okay. Is a license improper, Mr. Berry? A no insurance misdemeanor, Mr. Berry, and the violation of Marijuana Act. The other matters about the money we'll deal with later. All right, Mr. Gandy, I'm going to put license improper, no insurance misdemeanor, and the one that's on the docket, violation of Marijuana Act. Mr. Berry's going to an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He did pay the insurance, no insurance proof. That should have gotten him clearances here, but I do understand with those other matters and warrant status, he was probably not be able to get a license even if he didn't have any other tickets in the other jurisdictions. So we will recall those warrants now, and I don't know what kind of effect that will have on him. Join the room.
Okay.
Pass the matter. Mr. Walling, Ms. Horn is back.
Okay, I'd love to talk to her. If she's not busy, I'll do that. If so, we can get rid of Mr. Gentry.
All right, let me bring Mr. Gentry out and I'll let you go talk to Ms. Horn.
Okay.
What's the PXW mean?
That's my initials, Judge.
Oh, Phillips. Duh.
Just so you know who's working hard, you know?
Got you. All right, he's not coming out. So go ahead to talk to Ms. Horn for Ms. Leon Ortiz.
Yep.
Oh. I'm going to test your client too. I think he wanted to break out one. What's that? Oh,
What's this?
you're scanning stuff.
I'm sorry. I normally don't do this, but
That's all right.
I'm trying to get stuff done. It's probation.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gentry. I'm going to find out. You know I'm going to start testing you, right, sir?
Yes.
All right, I need a phone number from you, please.
248-897-6740.
That number is set. I'm gonna have probation reach out to you, Mr. Gentry. I'm gonna put you on a $500 personal bond for the operating while intoxicated ticket. I'm gonna have you start testing one time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission. And no drinking during the pendency of this case. I'm going to refer the matter to probation. Probation should call you to set the testing up. You should not have to call them. But it's Thursday, so I don't know if I'll get a test this week. But if I don't get a test this week, I want to test every week thereafter. And the test must be negative and no diluted or no missed tests, or we're going to up the ante on the bond. You understand that?
Yes.
Would you like me to appoint an attorney for you, or you just want to go straight to a bench trial?
Bench trial.
All right, trial date is going to be June the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yeah.
If that probation department doesn't call you and test, I don't want you to come back in and say, Judge, they didn't call me. I want you to take some steps and get back in touch with the court, and we can get you set up. All right, give it about a week or so.
All right.
All right. Best of luck to you. Have answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be probation. Come back on June the 5th, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. Does Mr. Lee have valid documentation?
You said Mr. Lee?
Yeah, ask Mr. Lee, does he have, Mr. Wilson, Officer Wilson? Ask Mr. Lee, does he have valid registration and insurance? Lee?
Judge, we're ready on Leon Lewis. Lennon Lewis, excuse me.
It's the city of Detroit versus Lennon Eugene Lewis, case number U68757224, SP 1141859, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1141907, SP 1763, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1176355, strike that. SP 117634551, SP 1292881, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1367801, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. Hey, you're gonna have to be quiet.
Yes, sir.
SP 1368996, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1389221, counts 1, 2. SP 1413168, count 1. SP 1437598, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1542282, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1655091, SP 1716130, count 1 and count 2. SP 1824681, SP 1868161, SP 1868161, SP 1824663, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Lennon Lewis. We're requesting bench trial dates per my conversation with the city attorney.
Yes, sorry, that's what you want to do, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no. Who's that talking?
That's me.
Who's that? No, who's that in the background, Mr. Lewis?
That's one of my grandkids.
All right, Mr. Your grandson or granddaughter?
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
What's your name, please?
Ronriel Ford.
Okay, Ms. Ford, you can't answer for him, okay?
I did it. I was telling him I unmuted it for him.
Okay, very well. Mr. Lewis, we'll set a trial date on June the 5th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you and your granddaughter the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, thank you, sir. You have a nice one, too. And granddaughter, set it down somewhere.
Thank you for your help, granddaughter.
Yep.
You're welcome.
He
said thank you. Thank you. No problem.
All right. Ms. Baird, you have Ms.
Now, June, what?
Can't I hit?
Ms. Barrett, you have Ms. Oates.
Hold on one second, Judge. I have Jada Gates.
They said Ms. Oates said you were her attorney as well.
Okay, that's fine. I can go in there. I had Jada Gates. Did they ever check in?
I don't see a Gates.
Okay. All right. Oates is in 8. Okay.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gandy. Mr. Gandy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Gandy?
Yes, for the VMO.
Okay. Well, they're going to represent you on everything from here on out.
Okay.
I need a good phone number from you, sir.
313-736-0665.
All right, I'm going to set a pretrial date of the 29th of May at 8:30. That date is set to give that attorney an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that attorney by your next court date, I'm gonna appoint an attorney on the spot on that date. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Gandy. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Barry. why don't you speak to Mr. Lunn? Mr. Lunn is here back. I hope the interview went well, sir. Mr. Barry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Keyshawn Lunn. Mr. Lunn, state your name for the record, please.
Keyshawn Furman Leland.
Okay, good morning to you. Mr. Barry, Mr. Lunn has, if you have your ink pen ready, he has a number of cases that we didn't call into the record.
Reading, Your Honor.
That we called into the record that aren't on the docket. Let me say that.
Yeah.
You ready?
Ready, Your Honor. Ready.
Failure to stop at a stop sign. Drove while license suspended. Unsafe manner. No seatbelt. Improper equipment. Defective equipment. Expired plates. Okay, Mr. Lunn, Mr. Barry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You too can expect to be tested. All right. I'm not going to give him a $0 bond. I'm going to give him a $500 personal bond. I'm going to give him a $500 personal bond on the Z ticket. I'm going to have you testing 1 time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission. And no drinking during the pendency of this case. If the tests are negative, if the tests are positive, diluted, or if they're missed, we're going to up the ante on the bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Jada Oates, case number B12-868-822, B12-868-922, B12-869-022, B12-869-122, SP123-7864, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP123-79181, SP129-99181, SP138-4720, counts 2 and counts 3, SP142-1636, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP165-77592, SP188-6433, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Jada Oates. We request a bench trial date on the matters.
All right. Ms. Oates, is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Come back on June the 5th at 9 a.m., ma'am. June the 5th at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
On that Lindsay, on that Joseph Lindsay, Ms. Barry, where's Joseph Lindsay's file?
Did you hear this, Judge?
I already gave it. Let me see. I don't know if that V ticket, there was a V ticket in there too. Yeah, I did. I caught that back. Okay, there you go. All right, we're done. Anyone else, Ms. Barrett?
Hold on, I'm checking my records here.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Leon Ortiz. Miss Leon Ortiz, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
At this time, Your Honor, my client wishes to continue her not guilty plea and set these matters for a bench trial.
Is that what you want to do, Miss Ortiz?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come back on June the 5th 2026 at 9 a.m. Ms. Ortiz does not need an appointed attorney, Mr.
You know, I thought about that, Your Honor. I don't think so. This could
set one anyway.
Pardon me?
Why don't we set one anyway? If you thought about it, you want us to appoint you an attorney that's specific to you, Ms. Ortiz?
Would I otherwise stay with the attorney I have now, or?
No, probably not.
That's okay, yes.
Okay, I'll get her information, Judge.
All right, let's go back. You'll just have to make one extra court appearance, ma'am.
Okay.
All right.
Can you put her back in the room?
I will.
Thank you.
She can join that room.
Okay. Back in, I believe we were in 3.
Yeah, I'm gonna put her in 5. She can join 5. Go to 3. I'll go to 3, Mr. Walling. I'll put her back in 3.
Okay.
Join the room, Ms. Ortiz. All right, there you go, Mr. Walling. She's in there.
Judge, did
Yes.
Martell Owens ever show in?
Martell Owens never showed.
Okay, well, that was the last one.
All right, Mr. Leaf. All right, have a great day, Ms. Barrett.
You too, thanks. Bye-bye.
Is this Lavelle Leaf?
Yes.
Mr. Leaf, do you have, you took off home, didn't you?
You said I took off home?
Oh, did you, who was the gentleman that came in?
It was
oh.
That was Mr. Lavender, Jamel Lavender.
Lavender. Leaf, let's see, Leaf, you have, if I'm not mistaken, you only have no insurance and no registration, right?
Yes.
Do you have the documentation?
No, the car was totaled during the incident. Somebody hit me. That's why everything played out. Somebody tore my car up. They was deemed at fault, and they went to jail.
I'm gonna give you the opportunity to speak with the lawyer, okay?
All right.
Months ago, you know, that's why the pain, and now he ain't smoking to it.
And Lavender.
Yes.
You need it anyway. And eat right and get your body.
All right, you gotta cut the background noise off, please. That Lee Nettles, we need to reschedule that Lee Nettles.
Oh, he had another, to match the other dates.
Yeah, and only one got rescheduled for
So
today.
schedule that one to.
I gotta watch.
Hold on, Mr. Lavender, you're gonna have to be quiet.
Say leave those.
Yeah, I don't see Lavender on the docket.
Maybe that's what he does.
No, he didn't leave. He's still here.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. Mr. Lavender, what's your last name? Is it spelled?
My last name is Lavender. My first name is Jamel. Jamel.
Ealavender?
Yes, sir.
And Jamel, spell the first name first. Oh.
Jamel.
You're supposed to be an informal hearing at 9:30 downstairs and 2:20. Call 2:20 up and tell them up here. Zoom in to 2:20.
I was on Zoom at 9:30 and it exited me out. That's why I'm right next door at Ford Field. That's why I came to the 36th District building to see what was the problem.
All right, let me call down there. You're gonna have to call into 2:20. Yeah, call Foreman. What's the Zoom ID? Is that 360-220? All right, we'll get you the Zoom ID down there. Let him know he's been here this all morning, please. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lund. Mr. Lund, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date and the appointment of counsel. We seek a pretrial date.
All right, I'm going to give you a pretrial date, Mr. Lund, of the 29th of May at 8:30. I need you to take down the number to probation as well. I'm going to refer the matter to probation for the testing. That's 313-965-3414. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But I just wanted you to have the number, and you know how to zoom into our court if you have an issue, because I know it's Thursday, so I might not get a test this week, but I want to test every week thereafter until any of the conditions change or the case is dissolved of. And if there's a positive test, a missed test, or if there is a diluted test, then we're going to up the ante on the bond. So I don't want you to come in here next time and say, Judge, they never called me. And I want you to be proactive. If you don't hear from them, you know how to get back in touch with the court. So next week, make sure we have a test. Okay, sir?
Yes.
Do you have any other questions?
No, so you say they're going to get in contact with me and let me know where I go test at?
They're gonna get in contact with you, but if they don't contact you and next week comes around and you get in a Wednesday or something, then you say, hey, Judge, they didn't call me. Sometimes that happens, but I want you to be proactive, all right?
Okay, yes, sir.
All right, I hope the interview went well. I wish you the best of luck, sir, and have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's 360-360-0220.
All right, Mr. Lavender, call 360-360-0220.
360-360.
0220.
Okay, I'm
That's
calling
the
them right now.
Downstairs, they're waiting on you, right?
Yes, I told him.
They're waiting on you.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Leon. Miss Leon Ortiz, I'm giving you the opportunity again to speak with Mr. Walling. And Mr. Walling, I don't have a number for Miss Ortiz.
I have that information, Your Honor. You want me to just send it to your clerk at the end of the call?
You can just put it in the chat. That would probably be. Ms. Ortiz, I'm going to set a pretrial date of 5/29/2026 at 8:30. I'm going to mark the file need appointed attorney. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. May I have the time for the court date again?
8:30.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Well, as soon as I get Mr. Walling puts that in the chat. And
yeah, I'm having a hard time doing that, Judge. I'm sorry.
Let me put Miss Ortiz. Maybe she can do it a little faster. Miss Ortiz, I'm going to send you a message.
That's for doggone sure, Your Honor.
I sent you the message, Miss Ortiz. You send me the telephone number, and then once you get that number to me, you're free to leave. There it is.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is going to be the city of Detroit versus Christopher Matthew Greenwood. Case number SP 1867770, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1878453, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Mr.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Good morning to you.
Philip Walling representing Mr. Greenwood, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Greenwood, state your name for the record, please.
Christopher Matthew Greenwood.
All right, good morning to you. And Officer Wilson, good morning to you. State your name, badge, number, department for the record.
Yes, Officer Wilson,
Please. I didn't get that.
Officer David Wilson, badge number 198.
Okay, good morning to you. And here as well. Mr. Green,
Did you say Rule was here?
Yeah, Corporal Rule is here.
Okay.
I tried to breakout room. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the map. Mr. Barry, who are we waiting on?
We're ready with Mr. Lund, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on. Lund is gone. All right, he's the one that I did. Lund is gone. All right, let's go call the city of Detroit versus Lavelle Leaf. Case number SP 1870679, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Lavelle Lee.
Good morning to you, sir. Day, date, and time set for a trial. I know Officer Mitchell did appear, Mr. Berry. I don't know where he is now. So, Mr. Lee, Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. If you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. And if the officer hasn't communicated with the city attorney, you know what to do, Mr. Berry. Let's pass them out.
Judge.
Yes.
Okay, for this Martell Owens, he says he's in the waiting room. He's
not in our waiting room. I don't have anybody in.
Okay, yeah, that's what. Okay, let me see. Let me check. He said he sent me a picture. Okay.
Maybe he's in somebody else's waiting room.
Okay, I'm gonna check again.
All right.
Your Honor, my name is Mariah Green. I was wondering if I'm supposed to be in this Zoom meeting or if I'm in the wrong one.
Good morning to you, Miss Green.
Good morning.
You're supposed to be here, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. And then you have to turn your camera on when you're speaking next time, okay?
Your Honor, I have a quick question.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Vicky G. Am I waiting to speak to an attorney?
Yeah, we're waiting. You're waiting for your case, yeah, and your case to be called. Yes.
Okay.
Judge.
Yes.
I double checked his Zoom ID and he put the right ID and he says they're telling him to wait.
I don't know, Miss Barrett. The room is not locked, so he can get in if he child the right ID. Mr. I don't. Let me see if he's in one of the breakout rooms or something. I don't see anybody in the breakout room.
Well, I'm not sure what's going on because he's on the phone and he said he'd been sitting there. I'm not sure what's going on. I double checked the ID with him.
What you saying over there, Miss Mathis?
I was saying that maybe he should hang up and dial again.
Then maybe he should hang up and dial again. I agree with Miss Mathis.
Okay, try and call back again. Okay, let me see what happens. Okay.
Drinking hot water. Drinking hot water.
You drink anything.
So you can get hot water.
I mix it, make it warm.
Oh, you
So
mix
it's
it.
room temperature, sometimes hot though.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Today it was more hot than warm. I was reading article, watching the videos. You're not supposed to drink it cold.
Yeah.
Just drink it hot.
They say so good.
That's the stuff we do. It's best for us. Best for our body. It's nasty like that. Well, why do you, what's the difference between hot and cold water? You use it, your body use it faster, use it right away. What, the hot water?
You said activate your liver too.
Like if you. So what's the cold water do?
It shocks the organs. Cold water is not something that we should be consuming versus the warm water, room temperature water. When you drink cold water, it shocks the organs in the body.
That's just like if you
That's what she was saying in the video. I was watching an article there too. She said your body has to break it down first and then use it. Opposed to when you drink, the inside of your body is real hot. So when you drink hotter room temperature, use it right away. So you gotta break it down.
It's better to drink it hot, like to me.
He's talking about it tastes better for you.
You know, cold stuff tastes good. Like
So you're saying it's healthier drinking it hot.
Yeah.
But it tastes better cold. It definitely tastes better cold.
It feels good.
It does. I'll just drink my water cold. I'll miss out on those other medicinal purposes.
My
heart hurt, then I sweet. No, but that I learned in high school running track, they did say don't drink cold water because of what Miss Williams' law says. You automatically your heart is beating real fast and it can shock that. But
I drink it sometimes in the morning. I have some hot water in me, and I can tell the difference.
I do the lemon too. And the lime is even better than lemon, I found out.
Oh yeah, lime is good for inflammation. Lime. Drinking some that.
He said he was gonna call. Did he pop up calling?
Yeah. Mr. Owens, is that you?
Yeah, I'm here. I can't. I don't know why the Zoom isn't working. But I called this number. It's supposed to be.
This is the city of Detroit. Is this Martell? Is this Martell Liddell Owens?
Martell Liddell Owens, yes, sir.
What is your date of birth?
10/23/1997.
This is the city of Detroit versus Martell Liddell Owens. Case number SP 1216016, counts 1 and counts 2. SP, strike that, 16221220, counts 1 and counts 2, and 1840638991. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Martell Owens. Judge, I'm gonna need to get to discovery on this.
I need that other one, please. He's got a few more tickets on the other one.
But wait a minute. I was trying to get this straight. Can I be put in a breakout room with him before I do that?
Yes. Is this the best number to reach you at, Mr. Owens?
734-318-0094.
Number I have.
We'll put you in the breakout room with Miss Barrett and have a conversation with her, okay?
All right.
Just pass the matter. watching the press conference. Wow.
I was watching the press conference with her and Mitchell. And so PG players feel like the team was not big enough. All of the mistakes they can fix themselves and defeat.
Well, they better think that.
You know the media, you giving the Pistons bulletin board materials.
They better think that shit. It's playoff time. And so it ain't like the regular season. You can make up for it, get another
This
day.
right here, this make careers.
Mm-hmm. Or breaks.
All right, see you in the morning.
Are you out?
You gotta go to the front door.
All right, be safe.
Right. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I met Kevin what is his name? Burlington, the Pistons coaches meeting yesterday.
One of the Pistons coaches,
His name is Kevin.
Bickerstein,
Burlington.
the head coach, bald-headed
No,
guy.
he wasn't the head coach. He must be like one of them. They must have like several different coaches.
Yeah, I'm sure. And what did he? How did he have? How did you know him?
He was just in line, and his brother started talking, and that's how we met him.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Tall guy.
Tall brown skin guy.
He must have been a basketball player before too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Judge, you have to bring Mr. Owens out. He wants bench trial.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Is my understanding you want a trial date, sir?
I do, Honor.
All right, come back on June the 5th at 9 a.m. June the 5th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Okay,
All right,
thank you.
All
right.
Ms. Horn.
Yes, Your Honor.
What about Miss G? Officer Green did appear. She's got the allowing.
Correct. The people are offering a 3-month delayed sentence.
Okay. All right.
And I did speak with the officer, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leaf. Mr. Leaf, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client going to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial.
All right, so we need Officer Mitchell. He did appear as well.
Okay, and let me give him a call.
Let me see. Officer Mitchell did appear. All right, let's pass the matter. You may need to call for Green as well. This is the City of Detroit versus Zakia Berry, case number SP 187-45971. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. G.
Zakia G.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. The offer hasn't changed. That's charged 3-month delay, $240. The officer did appear, but he's not here now. Ms. G, I'm going to allow you still to speak to Mr. Berry. See if it, yeah, I don't know. See what your client wants to do. If she wants a trial, we're here. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, so the charge is that allowing an unlicensed driver, is there another charge?
No, just allowing. All right, let's pass the matter.
And Mr. Berry, and I'll reach you in a breakout room to advise you what I discovered.
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Greenwood. Mr. Greenwood, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Well, Your Honor, the people have recommended that if my client pleads responsible to 2 expired plates tickets, one for Officer Wilson, one for Officer Rule, the balance of the matters would be dismissed. That's what my client wishes to do at this time.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Pleading to the civil infractions, yes.
I didn't hear you.
I say yes, pleading to the civil infractions.
Pleading to the civil infractions. Stipulate to the face of the, you said pleading to all the civil infractions?
No, just the 2 expired plates, Judge.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible pleading client's behalf, stipulate probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
To both.
With those stipulations, I'll find them responsible. No, as charged to 2 counts of expired plates. I'll dismiss the other matters. I'll only fine them for $145. When can you pay?
I could pay as early as next week, sir. Maybe earlier.
All right, I'll give you until the 15th of May. Pay it by any DivDad kiosk in the City of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You too, sir.
Welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Mariah Octavia Green. Case numbers SP 180-6291, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 187-99921. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip Walling represent. Oh. Go ahead, Ms. Green.
I'm trying to
Go ahead.
fix my mic.
State your name, ma'am.
It's not working.
Your mic is working, ma'am. Ms. Green, state your name for the record.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. 1 second.
All right, we'll pass the matter. Mr. Walling, why don't we call this? This is an afternoon docket, but it should be a quick one.
Sure.
City of Detroit versus Dominique LaRose, Renee Lewis, case number SP 189-66211, SP 189-70701. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Mr. Lewis.
Ms. Lewis.
Ms. Lewis, I'm sorry. My docket doesn't go that far, but tell me what Ms. Lewis is being arraigned for.
And Mrs. Lewis has got a driving license expired and a 16 to 20 over. She has a valid, unblemished, so far, unblemished driving record. Nothing on her driving record. Ms. Lewis, well, she's coming back in now. Ms. Lewis, unmute yourself, start your camera, and good morning, and state your name for the record, please.
Dominique Lewis.
All right, good
Dominique
morning.
Lewis, Renee Lewis.
And her license is valid, Your Honor?
The license is valid, and as of right now, it's unblemished.
Okay.
She's got 20 miles an hour over the speed limit. Ms. Lewis, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Your Honor, this is Mariah Green. I can hear now. My thing was messing up.
All right, no problem. We heard you, ma'am, but I'm going to put you in breakout room 5. Mr. Walling's going to come see you as well, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Corporal Rule, good morning to you.
Morning. Mr. We're done with that, right?
Everyone's gone. Be safe, Corporal Rule.
Thank you. Have a great one.
Did you see the Jeffrey Epstein note? Alleged, there's alleged suicide note.
Jeffrey Epstein?
It says, they investigated me for months, found nothing. So 16-year-old charge results, exclamation point. It is a treat to be able to choose one's time to say goodbye. What you want me to do? Bust out crying? No fun, not worth it.
Where do they find that at?
They said they had it, and I don't know. They just
They just released it.
I don't
They
believe
just-
nothing. I don't believe a damn thing. I don't. It's so hard to determine because all this time, when did he go? When did that happen? That he supposedly committed suicide.
that was before COVID, wasn't it?
I don't know.
And they just now saying, you know what? We do have this letter.
No, they said I think they. I don't think they're just now saying we just have it. The judge just ordered it unsealed.
Okay.
A lot of people went down fooling around with them.
A lot of people haven't gone down fooling around with it.
Not enough.
Well, you never know.
There's so much speculation about him. He said he was a federal informant.
I'm sure he was. He got up. He pled guilty to something, and they gave him. Let's go back on. Let's go. Let's go back on the record with Ms. G. Mr. Berry, I've given you an opportunity to speak with your client. Is there any update on the offer?
There is no update, Your Honor, and I've informed the prosecutor.
All right, Ms. Horn. Ms. Horn. We have Officer Green.
Yes, that's my understanding that Officer Green is present.
Yes, Your Honor. I sent them to the wrong courtroom, but Green and Mitchell is on his way as well.
All right, are we ready for this trial?
Ready, Your Honor.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. G. Officer Green, can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Yes, Officer Antonio Green, Junior Badge 1170, Detroit Police Department.
All right, can you remove your hat, please?
Yes.
Okay.
What's Officer Green's first name? I apologize. Can you repeat or spell?
Antonio, Antonio. Last name Green.
Thank you.
All right, good morning again to you, Mr. Green. Okay, go ahead, Ms. Horn, is your burden.
Okay, thank you. Understood. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Our first witness, Your Honor, is Officer Antonio Green. Okay. Officer, where are you currently employed?
Detroit Police Department.
Gotta swear him in. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Go ahead, Ms. Horn.
Officer Green, where are you currently employed?
Detroit Police Department.
Okay, and how long have you been a Detroit police officer?
About 8 years.
Okay. Wow. And what kind of training have you received during the time that you're here, if you can recall some of it?
Raid training, speed measurement training, when it comes to utilizing the radar and a LiDAR device.
And what did your training teach you to look for in regards to traffic investigations?
As far as speed is concerned?
Yes.
Visually and physically, visually observing the vehicle speed, and which that would require me to give a estimate, and then off that estimate, check my radar to see if I'm mirroring my observations. Also, along with just tracking the vehicle, see if the vehicle is passing other vehicles, so on and so forth.
And are you also trained to look for whether the vehicle is properly plated?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. And on February 27th, let's see, I don't have the ticket. Madam Clerk, could you assist me with the date, time, and location?
February 27, 2026, at around 4:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard and 18th Street.
Thank you, Your Honor. At that date and time, Officer Green, were you at this location?
Yes.
And what brought you to the area?
I was conducting speed enforcement in that area. It's a 25-mile-per-hour zone.
Okay. And Your Honor, what kind of vehicle is on the complaint?
Jeep 2018.
And did something happen that drew your attention to that vehicle?
Yes.
And what happened?
At this time, I was stationary on Martin Luther King when I observed the vehicle traveling greater than the posted speed. At that time, I did visually observe the vehicle traveling greater than the posted speed, in which I did give a estimate. And then I did conduct a traffic stop based on those facts right there.
Okay. And once you initiated your traffic stop, what did you do?
I did make contact with the driver and advise him of the speed infraction.
And is the driver in the virtual courtroom today?
I'm able to see like the participants. That's a no.
Okay, thank you very much. And once you make contact with the driver, what else did you observe?
I observed the registered owner of the vehicle in a passenger seat, along with a small child in the rear.
And how did you determine the registered owner?
So when I ran the plate, normally all the information comes back to whoever the car is registered to, along with like the picture of them. So based off that, I was able to use her picture and correlate it to her physically being there. Also asked her if she was the owner of the car, in which she said yes, she was.
And upon making contact with the driver, was that driver licensed or unlicensed in the state of Michigan?
He was unlicensed.
Okay. And what did you do then once you determined this during your investigation?
I did issue citations to the driver along with the registered owner of the vehicle.
Okay. And is the registered owner of the vehicle in the virtual courtroom today?
Yes.
And can you describe something about that person?
From what I can see, I believe she has maybe like a reddish. Her hair is like reddish black female. I'm on a cell phone, so it's kind of hard for me to actually like switch and actually go to her settings. But I do see her in the courtroom, Miss G.
Okay. And Your Honor, may the record reflect that the officer has identify the defendant in this manner, Ms. Zakia G?
All right. Any objections, Mr. Berry?
No objection, Your Honor.
Let the record reflect he's identified Ms. G.
Okay, thank you. And upon your contact or observations or your investigation with Ms. G, what happened?
She did state that he was driving because she was going through postpartum. Like I said, there was a small child in the back. At that time, I did issue the tickets, and she was ordered to drive the vehicle because she was the one that was licensed.
Okay, and did you determine? We discussed this, and so I'm ready for the answer. Did she make any admissions as to knowing that the driver of that vehicle was unlicensed? What you recall?
I don't recall.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. The people are done with this line of questioning at this time for Mr. Green.
Very well. Any defense, Mr. Berry, you want to question or no?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Thank you. That'll conclude. Now, Ms. G, you know you have the right to testify on your own behalf.
Yes.
All right. Raise your right hand, Ms. G. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, Ms. G, I didn't know if Mr. Berry, does your client willing to testify or not?
Your Honor, I'd rather she not testify.
All right, right. Okay, Ms. G, you understand that you can testify if you want to. Do you understand that?
Yes.
But you don't have to testify. As a matter of fact, it's on the people's burden to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt without any testimony. You understand that?
Yes.
And is it your wishes to go along with your attorney's advice and not testify?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Very good. Very good. I'm gonna let it record reflect that she willingly, knowingly, and understood that she does not want to testify in this manner, and was going to retain her rights to remain silent. All right, Mr. Berry, go ahead.
Your Honor, the people have failed to prove that my client knew that the driver was unlicensed, and we seek dismissal.
Okay. In response to that, Ms. Horn?
Your Honor, the people will defer to the court. I just would like to say in closing, Ms. G, now you know this person is not licensed. Please be sure going forward you don't let people drive your car without a license.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. Officer Green could not recall whether I believe his testimony to be very, very credible. And he indicated to the court that he just couldn't recall whether you mentioned that you knew the person didn't have a license, and that the court sees that as being one of the requirements to find you guilty. So I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss based on those reasons. All right, Ms. G, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good luck with the baby.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right. Take care. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Officer Green, be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay. Thanks, Officer Green.
All right. Have a good one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. I just want people to stop letting people drive their car like that.
All right. All right.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and call this for today, ladies and gentlemen. Again, to all the new subscribers to this channel, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel and believing in me. Your support means a lot to me. And if you like this kind of content or the scanner content, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and help the channel grow. And don't forget, please, I encourage you to share these live streams out over the internet. Let people know that this channel is here and what we are doing on this channel. So that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. ta and ciao ciao. I will see you on the next one. You all have a wonderful, blessed evening.
Come down to it all with your tools in hand, making magic flow. Every broken part, you help me grow. You fix it all, fix it all. You fix it all. Daniel, you make it right. Daniel, everything's right when I'm falling apart. You put me back together. You make it better. From the wires tangled up to the broken dreams. You know how to man all my scattered seams. With your steady hands, you refill my heart. Every piece that's lost gets a brand new start. You fix it all, fix it all. You fix it all. Daniel, you make it right. Daniel, everything's bright when I'm falling apart. You put me back together. Daniel, you make it better. Fix it, Daniel. Fix it, Daniel. Fix it, Daniel. Make it right when the world shuts down, and I can't see clear. You're my solid ground, always drawing near. Never give up on this heart of mine. Put it back together every single time. Fix it all, now I'm standing tall to all you do. From the highest peak, I can see it through. With your care and touch, everything's okay.